The government alleges what was initially a people's agitation has now taken a political turn, with Anna Hazare and Arvind Kejriwal saying that citizen candidates will be contesting the 2014 elections. The government says this is no longer a people's agitation. You are like the BJP, the left, another alternative to be taken on politically.
It's people's agitation to clean up the politics by the people, for the people, of the people. It will be truly a people's agitation. People's candidates choosing right kind of people. People are taking charge to clean up the dirty politics polluted by the corrupt politics.
It is then a political agitation.
Well, if it obviously to go into the parliament, but it will be people's candidates, by the people, for the people, of the people. That's the change. It's a true definition of democracy.
No, but then in that sense, the government is right when it says that Anna and Kiran Bedi and Arvind Kejriwal have now to be tackled politically. So like we tackled the BJP, like we tackled the Samajwadi Party and the BSP, we will tackle Anna Hazare politically.
Fine. Let them I don't know the definition of tackling. I don't understand the definition of tackling. I don't know what they mean by tackling.
Because can you explain for the benefit of our viewers, ma'am, you know, this whole notion of what was originally a civil society movement now entering the political fray, is that because of your disillusionment with Parliament and its inability to move forward on the Lokpal bill?
They bring the Lokpal bill today. They appoint a special investigation team today. We go back. We don't need to be around. We're no more relevant. It is the people who are compelling us to go on and on and on. Let them bring a proper Lokpal, a Jan Lokpal. Let them bring an SIT. We're no more relevant. We are done. We can go back to our own vocations. We can go back to our own priorities. It is they who are compelling us by doing nothing, by perpetuating corruption.
Do you not think, ma'am, that this is a utopian idea? People's candidates without any backing, no strong political affiliation. Do you not fear that they might end up losing their deposits in most of the seats?
I don't know about that. We are doing what is the right thing to do. We are doing what is the right thing to do at the moment. I don't know about tomorrow, but at the moment, what you're doing today is just the right thing to do. What we do tomorrow will depend on the tomorrow. But I can't anticipate 1 year from now, 6 months from now. But what we're doing, asking for Lokpal, asking for SIT. What are we doing? If you don't give us, we will ensure that people ask for it. So we just awakening people.
But the government says...
But people, they have a choice. Government has a choice. If it wants to tackle us and silence us, the only way to send us home is to bring us a right kind of Jan Lokpal bill and investigate the corrupt cabinet ministers.
The government says this is a charade. You know, first the Team Anna insisted that this was a non-political people agitation. Now they are saying there will be citizen candidates. Stage 3 will be, Kiran Bedi will say I'll fight from South Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal will say I'll fight from East Delhi, Anna Hazare will fight from wherever in Pune. Is that really the direction which we are going?
This far. I can only see now. I can only see now, and I can only see tomorrow right now. All I can say even now, you want us to go home? You want us to become no more relevant? Bring in a Lokpal bill and bring in the investigation.
You're essentially saying that if it comes down to you having to contest, you're open to the idea of joining full-time electoral politics.
I'm not saying that. I'm only telling you, I am doing what is the right thing to do now. So is Anna, so is Arvind, so is Manish, so is Gopal, so are all these people. They're only doing what is the right thing now. Where it takes us tomorrow, I don't know. I'm not an astrologer.
Alright, what we're going to do is, we'll go closer to the stage, try and get you the mood at ground zero in several senses, because it began a little sluggishly, but now more and more people are joining this agitation. We're going to go down, ma'am. Let's just go down.
Bharat Mata Ki!